life can't get no better. Money in my life can't get no better. Can't get no better. I'm getting money in my life can't get no better. Money in my life can't get no better.
What's up, drivers and subscribers? It's your boy, Just Another Trucker, back with another video. And today, guess what? I'm in Independence, Missouri, and I am getting loaded inside of a cave right now. I'm about to get loaded inside of a cave. This is crazy. I'm like excited and nervous at the same time. I'm just checking out my truck and making sure everything is good. But yeah, so I'm finna get loaded inside of a cave right now, man. What the hell? That's crazy. Yeah, so I'm finna show y'all all this. So I don't know what it's gonna be like. Y'all finna check it out. So come on, let's go.
Came up now, I done got famous. Stayed down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stayed down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stayed down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stayed down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stayed down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stayed down until I came. I done came up now, I done got famous. Stayed down until I came up. I done came up now, I done got famous.
Okay, so now I gotta figure out where I gotta check in at. I think this the door right here. Let's look at the door. It's crazy how it look in here. I heard about this place, but I never been to it before. Let's see. Okay, let's hit one of these. Let's see. Let's see.
What's up, man?
Hey, supposed to be picking up a load here.
Alright.
We need a pickup number or something.
Yeah, what destination?
Independence, Missouri.
No, where's the load going to?
Zodis. No. Hold on. I gotta go get my iPad. Hold on for a second. Forgot my I took a picture of the load, but I didn't take a picture of where it's delivering to. Dang. I gotta get my iPad. Let me see something real quick. We in I'm finna say it's going to NutriBlend in Cedar Falls, Iowa.
Going to dock number 1.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it, man. All right, so I got that taken care of. Let's see. So I'm gonna be backing into dock number 1, which is that dock right there that you see on the left. It's kind of tight around here, so see how my truck is. It's like really tight in here, but I can do it though. It's enough space for sure. Yeah, that's enough space for sure. So, all right, I'm gonna back in to the dock and then they gonna load me, and y'all know the rest. Put my gloves on. Hey, look how tight that is. That's crazy. That's crazy.
I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Stayed down until I came. I done came up, now I done got fame. Till I came, I done came up, now I done got fame. Stayed down until I came, I done came up, now I done got fame. Stayed down until I came, I done came up, now I done got fame. Stayed down until I came, I done came up, now I done got fame.
Look at how I got that thing in there perfect. Feel me? Perfect. That's skill, baby. Skill, baby. Skill, baby. My first time being in the cave, and I put the truck in there perfect. Yes, sir. Even if it was another truck, right here, I still would have got it in there perfect. I still would have got it in there perfect.
Boy, if you don't get
they about to load it and it's going to NutriBlend, Cedar Falls, Iowa. Sometimes most of the time I never know where I'm at, so that's why it'd be so hard for me to remember, because I'm everywhere, so it's always, I don't know where I'm at. I'm thinking about it like, man, but yeah. So this is going to NutriBlend and Cedar Falls, Ohio. And they are starting to load it now. All right, so I'm gonna let them do that, and I'm gonna take a break. All right, so they finished loading it. And it's like 42,000, almost 43,000 pounds. It's just a 4-hour trip. Close the doors real quick. I forgot my seal. I left my seal in the truck. Alright, so this is what I have back here. Something for NutriBlend. I don't know exactly what it is. I don't like messing with the stuff that they put back there, because I don't want to get blamed for nothing. So yeah. Let me get my seal, put my seal on here. And then I'll be ready to roll out. Yeah, man. I'ma seal. Throw that up on there. Make sure don't nobody jack me, man. Make sure don't nobody jack me, man. Alright, so we just come back here and we do this like this. Stick that in that one. You don't want to stick it in that one because it might break it. And I don't know, but yeah, so we gonna put that in this one. I don't know why the seal goes on that side. I don't question it. So yeah, it's time for us to roll out. I don't think I'm gonna vlog the trip because I got something else cooking up for y'all. A real long one. I mean, a real long trip. So yeah. That's coming soon. So I already got some recorded. I just haven't edited them. So yeah. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so y'all will know every time that I drop a video. I'm still getting started. I like this vlog and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, man, just another trucker signing.